Use of lesson study as a tool to develop an improved instructional design in teaching integration by parts in calculus. Calculus has long been instrumental in advancing knowledge in mathematics and related disciplines. Despite its significance, many students struggle with its concepts, particularly integration by parts, a fundamental integration technique. This study aimed to develop an instructional design for teaching integration by parts using the lesson study approach. The process involved goal setting, lesson planning, implementation of a research lesson, and post-lesson debriefing. The lesson study was conducted among 15 third-year BSc Mathematics students from global reciprocal colleges, aged 19 to 22 years. Findings from classroom observations and post-lesson discussions revealed two key themes. First, instruction often leaned toward procedural and mechanical delivery, which limited opportunities for fostering higher-order thinking. Although the tabular method offers efficiency, it requires proper contextualization to prevent student misconceptions. Second, a supportive classroom environment and the integration of the tabular method enhanced student engagement. However, there remains a need to design learning experiences that promote collaboration and critical thinking. The study concluded that both the tabular and conventional methods are essential for developing student mastery of integration by parts. Moreover, lesson study proved to be an effective tool for crafting instructional designs that foster deep understanding, critical thinking, and meaningful learning. The researchers recommend its continued application, especially at higher levels where mathematics becomes more technical, to ensure the development of well-informed, student-centered pedagogical strategies. Calculus is a branch of mathematics that helps us understand and describe how things change, much like geometry focuses on shapes and algebra focuses on solving equations. It has two main parts, one that deals with how things change, called differential calculus, and another that deals with adding up quantities, like areas under curves, called integral calculus. These two are closely connected. Despite its importance in science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM, many university students find calculus confusing and difficult to learn. One topic that many struggle with is integration by parts, a technique used in integral calculus. This method can be challenging because it builds on earlier topics that students may not fully understand. As a result, learning it becomes even harder. To help students better understand this topic, teachers have explored an easier approach called tabular integration, which simplifies the steps and may help students learn more effectively. However, college instructors often work alone when planning their lessons, so they don't get many chances to share ideas or improve their teaching together. This situation led a group of researchers to try a collaborative method called lesson study. It involves teachers working as a team to plan, observe, and improve a lesson. The goal of this study was to find better ways to teach integration by parts to third-year mathematics education students. By improving how this topic is taught, the researchers hope students will gain a stronger understanding of calculus and feel more confident in applying it. This study shows that using lesson study, LS, a method where teachers work together to plan and improve lessons, can lead to better teaching, even for complex topics like integration by parts in calculus. Despite efforts to build on students' previous knowledge, teaching this topic often remains surface level and focused on memorization. The study highlights the need for lessons that help students think deeply, make connections between ideas, and work together to solve problems. When students are in a supportive classroom with active discussions and group work, they participate more and learn better. The teacher's positive attitude also plays a big role in encouraging student involvement. Based on these findings, the study recommends using LS in college-level math courses. This approach helps teachers design better lessons that promote deeper understanding, critical thinking, and meaningful learning for students, even in technical and challenging subjects like calculus. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.